What if my heart is very hard and callous and I can't cry for Krishna? What? If my heart is very hard and callous and I can't cry for Krishna, then what can I do?
Can't cry, heart is very hard. That means you don't want Krishna. You don't want Krishna. Yes, it is clear you don't want Krishna. You want Maya, so you get Maya. That is.
Crying for Maya.
Crying for Maya, so you get Maya. You don't want Krishna. So therefore you cannot cry for Krishna. Once Krishna cried, I say, Dhruva cried. Billu cried, and they got. Those who have cried, they have gotten. Without crying, nobody can get. No, not at all. And if your heart is so hard, you are not crying, that means you don't want Krishna. You don't want Krishna. You want Maya. You are crying for Maya. Yes, my wife left me, I am crying, I can get another wife. Yes, you are crying for that. Yes, you are not crying for Krishna. Yes. Yes. Therefore heart is so hard. Isn't it? When you lose your wife, you are crying. But you are not crying for Krishna. Which is the heart and soul of my life. With the object of love. You are not crying for it. You are crying for the loss of the material losses. Material relationship. Sodhana vyoga dukkha. Sodhana vyoga. Keep and keep material relationship. When you lose, you cry. But you are not crying for Krishna. I can get Krishna. No, you can't get Krishna. No, not at all. Yes, definitely. You can't get Krishna unless you cry for it. Yeah. You have to cry. If you are serious, no, I have to get Krishna. Without Krishna, my life, human birth is unsuccessful. I cannot get perfection. This birth is meant for. A really achieved birth is human birth. Is meant for. Get Krishna. You understand? Develop fifth Purusartha, Prem Bhakti. That is fifth Purusartha, Parama Purusartha. This human life is meant for it. Don't you hear this thing? Why you will not cry for it? How can I get it? How can I make my life successful? How can I make my life perfect in very birth? There is complete uncertainty. Nobody can say what will be your next birth. A hog or dog, or a worm in the stool. Nobody knows. It's such uncertainty. Now chance has been given to me. I have gotten this human birth. Very birth I must, like be determined like Dhruva. A 5-year-old boy is so determined. Why are you not determined? Sajay, how old are you?
37.
37 years old. 37 years old man. You are not determined. 5-year-old boy was so determined in God. Why are you not determined? Must be determined. No! This very birth I must get. Then, first determination. Then cry. How can I get it? Yes, it's so true, it's so true. Unless Maya will never spare you. Maya is putting very severe losses on you. You still continue putting. Giving severe losses. Yes, Maya is doing a thankless job. In my language of my Guru Maharaj. This language of my Guru Maharaj. Maya is doing a thankless job because she is putting losses on you. Giving losses. As long as you have not turned your face towards Krishna, Maya will never cease giving losses to you. Then you will cry, isn't it? Getting Maya's losses. Oh, then you will cry for Krishna. Yes. Not a direct way, then indirect way. Isn't it? Two ways. One is direct, one is indirect. Huh? Isn't it? Maya's losses means indirect. Maya's severe, more severe losses on you. Then you'll cry and cry for Krishna. And all will kick you. One wife kicked, then second wife kicked, then third wife kicked, ten wives kicked you. Arey Baba, all wives kicked you. Oh, what do we do there? Only Krishna is there, then you cry for Krishna. Two-legged animal. Isn't it? Huh? My so-called friend kicked me. I've said so many wives, they all kicked me. My so-called friends kicked me. I lost all my material assets. Well, they are Baba, nobody is there, but Krishna is there, then Krishna Panachai. Then you will cry. You require that thing. Still you cannot develop such consciousness, you're such carelessness. It's such carelessness. It's careless. Isn't it? It's such carelessness. So because really some little intelligence you should understand how Krishna is giving you opportunity for crying, but you are not crying.
If I hear submissively from someone that is very determined and cries, can that be picked up?
Yes. If you take shelter of such a person, yes, and serve him, please him, and get his mercy, then the mercy is very powerful. Yes, Guru Kripa. Kripa hi bala. Sadhu Guru Kripa bina nahi ko nistaro. Sadhu Guru Kripa bina nahi ko nistaro. Do you understand? Without the Kripa of Sadhu Guru, no other way is there. Do you understand? And we are completely dependent upon that Kripa, that mercy. We are such rascals. Karma nahi, jnana nahi, Krishna bhakti nahi. I have no karma, no jnana, no Krishna bhakti. Kevane paibi. No other means is there. No other way is there for me. Only I am crying for your mercy. You understand? Only crying for the mercy, yes. Karuna nahele kandiya prana na rakhiva haro Gurudeva Kripa bindu diya. Isn't it? Bhaktivinoda Thakur has sung that song. Karuna nahele kandiya prana na rakhiva. If I can't get the Sadhahit ki Kripa Devi Rubicha, that is causeless mercy, there is no cause. It's mercy, but it's causeless. Isn't it? It's causeless. If some cause is there, then I can have that cause, then I can get. I say, yes, I have this cause, so I get. But it's causeless. So how can I get? How can I get mercy? Karuna nahale kandiya prana na rakhivar. Oh, Gurudev. Do you understand? Isn't it? Oh, Vaishnava Thakur, oh Gurudev. If I cannot get mercy, I'll cry and cry and cry and finish my life. What is the value of this life? If I cannot get mercy of Vaishnava Thakur, Guru, then I cannot get Krishna, I cannot serve Krishna. What is the value? Then cry and cry and cry. Yes. Understand? Yes. This is the only thing we can. And Krishna also says in Adipura, Gayanti mama namani rudanti mama sannidhau tesangam parikrito nanyakrito danardana. Chanting my name, holy name, who cries before me. Cries before me means deities. Do you understand? Christ before me, installed deities. He is Krishna, direct. Pratiman Hotme Sakshat Gajendra Nanda, you are not mere idol, you are directly son of Nanda Maharaj, isn't it? Christ. Gayanti mama namani kandati rudanti mama sannido. Chanting my holy name, who cries before me, he purchases me. I become purchased by him. That's the only way. You have to give that price. Price of shedding tears. Do you understand? To like the animal. Yes, otherwise how can you purchase Krishna? No, no, do you follow? Yes. Chant his holy name and cry before Krishna. Krishna gives you so much opportunity for crying. Your wife kicked you, you lose your material assets. Why are you not crying? Crying for that loss, for material loss, but not crying for Krishna. Isn't it? Such a fool, such a fool. You should understand. This is Krishna gives you opportunity for crying. You follow me? But we have so much attachment towards this material assets, material relationships, bodily relationships. We are not having relationship with Krishna. We cry for it. If we lose, we will lose some of our relations. Some of our relations dies. Lose some of our material possessions. We cry. Day and night we think of it, only think of that thing. But we are not thinking of Krishna. We are not crying for Krishna. Yes, you should understand. Now Maya is doing intellectually thankless job. Putting lashes on you. Yes, now she will put more severe lashes. This is not working, this is not working. Now Maya will put more severe lashes on you. Then you will cry, bah!
How can I avoid more lashes? How can I avoid more lashes?
Avoid?
Yeah, avoid.
Avoid.
You will avoid lashes?
How can he avoid lashes?
More. I don't
He
want
doesn't want any more lashes.
He is not getting lashes?
no more lashes. I don't want any more lashes.
You don't want?
No more lashes.
No more? Then how can you cry? You need. You say you are an hard-hearted person. So you need more lashes from Maya. You need it. Yes, I'll tell Maya to. Isn't it?
How do I know if that isn't Vanchana? How do I know that isn't Vanchana?
You deserve it. You deserve. What you deserve, you get. Yeah, you deserve to be cheated, Vanchana. You deserve to get Maya's losses. Yes. Because you're such two-legged animal. Hard-hearted fellow. Very hard, stone heart. You need it. But you are not crying for Krishna. You are crying for it. So you must get it. You deserve those things. No? Now cry for Krishna. Let's cry for Krishna now from today, from this moment.